it's Saka, and in this video, I am a homemaker. I'm gonna be a homemaker for the next 5 days, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So let's get into it. So I'm actually starting this vlog at 12 a.m. because I had class this morning. I'm not actually starting my homemaking day until here at 12 o'clock. But I'm totally home alone right now, so I'm gonna take advantage of this, and I'm gonna clean the house and see what I can whip up. So I was planning to make waffles for breakfast, but since nobody's here, I think I'm going to make the batter, and then I'll have the rest of the batter ready to go for tomorrow morning. Also, I'm still in my pajamas, so I should probably change and brush my teeth. So I am dressed, I've brushed my teeth, and I have a little more order in the house, so now I'm going to work on the waffle recipe. Unfortunately, the waffle ended up tasting like poison. I then decided to make some caramel sauce to go on top of the waffles, but then I burnt it. So then I resorted to eating veggie chips because neither of the things I made ended up tasting like they were supposed to. It feels like something like this happens every time I try to cook something, so I was pretty distraught. So I took a very long nap, then played my piano. For supper, we ended up having leftovers because I was too afraid whatever I would make would fail again. For me, leftovers ended up being a leftover slushie. Good morning, people who are watching this video. It's another day, another vlog. Well, it's the same vlog, but I'm here eating my waffle. It still has an aftertaste of poison, but not as much, so I think it had to do with the olive oil cooking spray I was using. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm going to get dressed, brush my teeth, and then I will start my day with school. Also, if you've never tried peanut butter on your waffle, this is something my older brother Elliot taught me. It's really, really good. Definitely try it.
I love chocolate milk, does it taste so good?
Good morning. So I just finished my school and it's about 12:15. So now I'm gonna start working on lunch. Now we usually eat lunch a little bit later than most families, usually in between 1 and 2. So this isn't too strange that I'm making it about now. If you think it's strange, that's your problem. People are gonna hate me. So for lunch, I'm making a copycat version of Panera's grilled mac and cheese sandwich. Here you go, Harrison. There's more mac and cheese if you want it.
So, be honest, did you just make macaroni and cheese and then put it between 2 slices of bread? It seems like maybe if you would have done kind of a grilled cheese kind of
That
vibe.
is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
There's no cheese.
And that's the cheese sauce from those. What are your thoughts, Harrison?
Did it taste like a lot of bread?
You separated it?
Yeah, because this is just a piece of bread.
How dare you? So that's one meal successful in the last 2 days of me cooking.
It wasn't really grilled macaroni and cheese. It was just macaroni and cheese between 2 slices of toast.
Before I go and fully enjoy my afternoon, I'm going to be like any normal housewife, and I'm going to make myself a cup of tea. So I just realized I said housewife? No, homemaker, because I'm nobody's wife, if that's what that means. Me time. Muggy decided to sit on my lap. So, yay. Well, he was sitting on my lap until he started trying to claw me. Now I'm going to start on supper, which was originally going to be stir fry, but then I realized that the stir fry mix I have is like a stir fry for one. So I'm gonna be improvising a lot more than I thought. Let's get into it. So I'm cutting the onion into about bite-sized pieces, and I'm just gonna let those start frying. Now the onions have gotten slightly crispy, so I'm going to pour them into the stir fry. And taking their place in the frying pan will go the chicken. So I seasoned my chicken with some chili powder and salt, and this is still over here just chilling. I think it's about to be ready, and then I'm gonna strain it, and then I'm gonna add the chicken. So I mixed together the chicken and the stir fry. And now that's my pot, and then I made some rice to accompany it, and we'll see how everyone likes it. What do you think, Harrison?
About what?
The food.
Oh, the food's good. It's delicious, Sheridan. You got the rice just right.
That's great, because I've never made rice before.
Well, thank you very much for all the effort.
You're welcome.
See how pretty that is? Mmm.
Any final thoughts, Harrison?
What are you getting ready to kill it? No, sure.
Good morning. It is now day 3 of me being a homemaker. Once again for breakfast, we're having waffles, but this morning Dad bought chocolate chips, so now they're chocolate chip waffles. They don't taste like poison anymore. Also, I could have put too much baking soda because the taste is still a little bit there, but Harrison still can't tell it, which is great. And I'm telling it less and less. So these are delicious.
Good.
Authority that Jesus of Nazareth
It's good?
had, that he even could
Great.
command the forces.
For lunch, I'm making Harrison onion bread. My grandmother made it for me a few years ago and I really liked it. And so I was looking for a good lunch plan for today, and I was like, hey, why not make onion bread? And then for supper, it is Saturday, which is why today I'm going to be staying in my pajamas. So tonight I'm gonna do snack foods. We're gonna have, Dad bought some breaded shrimp. I'm gonna make some hot chicken wing dip, and I'm going to make little mini hot dogs wrapped in bacon with brown sugar sprinkled on top. I don't know if they have a name, but it's like pigs in a blanket except pigs in bacon. So I'll be showing y'all how to make those. All right, well, it's time for lunch. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make my grandmother's recipe for onion bread. So we're starting out, I'm just gonna start with a half an onion. You can use however much you want. I might need more than this, I don't know. I'm just gonna start by cutting this onion into like very small pieces. I found out that if you cut onions the perfect way, then you're able to cut them only twice and it'll end up like this because the onions are already layered. Now you have to actually look at an onion to see that. It works if you cut it the right way. And it looks like I just did that. So basically I'm just gonna be sauteing these onions. It's gonna be super easy. For reference, we are using the Aldi brand Knock Your Sprouts Off. This is sprouted 7-grain bread. And usually I'm not one to care about health, but I decided that it doesn't cost that much more if you get it at Aldi. I love white fluff bread, but this bread I can feel good about eating, so. Those are nice and crispy looking. And I'm gonna take the toast. So I'm just gonna take some of the onions and I'm gonna place them on each slice of bread. All right, now here's the kicker. This is what I put on to make it special. All right, Harrison, here you go.
To applaud the speakers, but please refrain from booing, interrupting.
What's wrong?
Don't know if I'm going to eat that at all. It looks like something that would taste bad.
No, it tastes really good, just trust me. Trust me. It's a what? It's 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna start working on dinner. So these are little cocktail pig thingies wrapped in bacon with brown sugar on top. This is the chicken dip. It just came out of the oven. It's sizzling and it's perfect. And this is the shrimp we're gonna make.
Pig and a bacon. Oh, and a bacon. Pig and a bacon. Sheridan is shuffling now. She doesn't know how to bridge the cards. We're gonna cut that part out later. You have 4 twos already. Really? Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. 7, 8. And it is a.
It's hilarious.
I'm starting to think Sharon is like on the dove.
Yeah, I think she is.
She giggles like a dad. All night long.
Don't know what it's about.
Player game. Beginning of the game, I'm going to hand you your card in secret, and if it's got.
Stop moving. High five. Good boy.
So delicious.
I got one question.
It tastes so good.
Oh.
Wow.
I got very little video yesterday. Alexa, set volume to 2. On Sundays, we usually don't eat breakfast. For lunch, we usually go to Sam's, but we didn't do that yesterday. We had leftovers of the night before. And then last night, I did vlog a little bit. Harrison and I went to Allison's family's house. But this is the first day back when it comes to making meals. And I think we're just mostly gonna be clearing out the fridge. And I'm just gonna be cleaning the house. It's on days like these that I'm very thankful that sweatpants are a style. I'm going to start cleaning. Once again, I forgot to film an outro, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Comment down below on what your favorite part of the video was. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you get notified every time I come out with a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!